Now, my man Barry ain't playing around this time. Not only did he get this badass prep cart y'all seen in another video, he got a matching trailer to haul it with. Now, he ain't just hauling the prep cart on this. He's got the toilet cooker. I know y'all remember that toilet cooker. That's Barry's as well. And he's got a slick golf cart. So the three amigos all going to cruise around on this rig together. We've got the inside lined with tie down points, make it easy to strap everything down. Of course, we got them hooked up with the Raceline aluminum wheels, low range E-tires, custom fenders built. Guys, we ain't throwing none of that China crap on our trailers. In-house built fenders. Got the stainless steel accents all the way down both sides. He wanted a really cool rig where he pulls up somewhere, people will be asking, what the hell is that? I want to go check it out. I think that's what we got here. Up front, we have got these tiki torches he brought us. So these are removable. They just pin on here. When he gets to where he's going, pop them off, set them up. He's ready to rock and roll. Up front here, we've got an enclosed box just for extra storage, guys. Throw your straps in there. A little extra dry room up front. LED lights all the way down the side. Got the bug guard up front as well. Keep that golf cart looking slick, you already know. Got a fold down folding gate in the back too. Make it easy to load everything up. Gas strut assisted, of course. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit or trailer built, you know who to call. Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.